All right, good afternoon. Thanks for coming back to Dan's Trades. Probably going to make this video fairly quick today. Do have a lot of new setup things I need to save, get in my charts. I'm constantly working on getting better and looking for ways to polish an edge in the markets. So the morning was crazy. I probably won't even go back there, but maybe I will. But I just want to talk about a little trade I took after the lunch session, before the PM session opened up. This is a 1 minute chart on NQH 2024. These are some levels pulled over. I did a scalp. I was looking for potentials since we had swept sell side liquidity right at the end of the lunch session. So the open was pretty much at the top and the close was at the bottom. That was the entire range for lunch. The next 1 minute candle bounced down just a little bit, so just taking out, and then it was started reversing. So I saw an opportunity with this major breakup here. Yep, you can call this one chasing for sure. I got in just looking to get the last piece of it because I thought we were just going to fly right up to sweep both sides before the PM session started. That was my theory behind this quick scalp coming in after we had closed above these fair value gaps from previous, and took it off right away. You see there's the entry 16,941, exit 942, so a tiny little scalp. But then once we retraced back down, I said we're definitely going to go higher again, so I added on 16,937, 16,924. So as it was coming down into this fair value gap, I had added on to it again, and then just waited 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 minutes, and I closed them both out here. Not waiting for, since we didn't make it here, I was not going to wait for it. I was just looking to see, hey, we might make a new high, we may not, and it looks like 16,948 is that high. 16,948 and a quarter, so it took it out by one tick. This is an exact equal high on this candle for this one. So I could have put the targets one tick above and may or may not have gotten filled, so I took them off early. Always a good thing to know. Have enough room in your trade ideas to be able to take it off ahead of time. You're still in profits. Worked out great. So that's just what I wanted to convey for today. Just a few minutes, as everything's not always perfect and easy, as was the morning. I'll slide this guy back and just show you. I'm learning so many new things, adding on to my knowledge. And then I watched ICT's video where he was targeting this morning, so it's fantastic. I think he took the trade right here, was his trade. So I was using this as a long setup and ended up scalping all kinds of little contracts on the way up. So just tiny little scalps, in and out, in and out, in and out. Being today was the day after the holiday long weekend, I wasn't in the mood to hold anything very long, so that's what turned into this. Quick scalps, getting in and getting out of the trade. And then I was down about the middle. And then I talked about the setup after the fact. So that was my trading day for today. Didn't trade any lunch, and right as the lunch was coming, I saw that trade. So it ended up being a very nice day for the Combine account. That's what this one's trading. We see it's trade of 8 right there. We'll pull up the business there on the 150K. So we're up 594 and 2 cents today. Now we have a total of 151.043 and 16 cents. So we are $1,000 plus to the positive in our goal towards Top Steps funded trader account once again. All right, so I'll pull over Top Step account, logged in. They haven't updated, so if you're brand new or you haven't started Top Step yet, they do gather in all the data shortly after. And we are 1 hour post close right now, so they'll probably be done pretty soon here. So it hasn't refreshed yet. I'm still on my previous day. If we try a refresh and see if it happens live while I'm actually here, that'd be kind of fun. Not quite yet, so I'll pause this and we'll see if it comes back. This is what you will see in between while they're tallying up. We can see this was my last one, was from day 2 of trading from the 10th. All right, waited a few minutes here, clicked refresh, we finally got the new stats. So here we are in the 150K combine. We see 151.043, which matches what we were seeing. 151.043.16. 151.43.16. So if we look at, so here's the fun part that I do like about Top Step is, yep, we're up 594 today. So day 1, day 2, day 3 of trading, we are 100% winning days. The streak continues. We've traded 3 days on this new combine. Opened it up January 4th. Today is January 16th. I do not trade every single day in this combine, and you shouldn't trade in your account, but you do whatever you want to do. I'm just showing you what I'm doing here. And so here's the nice thing about the stats is it does show you saw those scalps I took in the morning session. Ended up being 11 total trades on the day. And one of them was a loss for $334. And then the other 10 were winners. The average winner was $90. So we came out with we're now on a 97% winning percentage. Average losing to 1 loss at 334. The average winning at 114. We see that up top as well. Worst day is a 158 gain. Best day now is 594, which was today. So we're on track. Once we hit this green line, 159, we will be a funded trader once again. We'll move over to an express funded account, one step closer to the live funds account. So that's a wrap up of my Top Step account. Hope that helped you. And remember, tomorrow is not promised. Live today. Take care.